Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, put on gloves and clear the sink. Pour 1 cup white vinegar into a spray bottle, mist the limescale areas, and wait 5 to 10 minutes so acid begins dissolving calcium deposits. Once done, sprinkle 1/2 cup baking soda over the same spots. It will fizz and lift the scale. This chemical reaction loosens buildup without scratching. Make sure to use a nylon brush or old toothbrush at the edge seams. Apply light pressure, because stainless resists scratches, but abrasive tools will mar the finish. Continue by focusing on one area at a time so the vinegar stays active. Scrub in the direction of the grain with a nylon brush using short circular motions. Once loosened, rinse frequently with warm water to remove grit and prevent redepositing particles. For stubborn 1/8 inch or thicker deposits, reapply vinegar directly and let it dwell longer before a second scrub. Make sure to use a paste of baking soda and water on vertical or rim areas. Let it sit 3 to 5 minutes, then work it in gently and rinse well. Finish by rinsing the entire sink thoroughly with warm water so no acid residues remain. Then dry immediately with a microfiber cloth to prevent fresh mineral rings. After drying, apply a dime-sized amount of light oil or a stainless cleaner and buff along the grain to restore the shine. If things go wrong, if you notice etching, persistent pitting, or discoloration, stop using acids, avoid scrubbing, and switch to a recommended stainless steel cleaner or contact a professional. This prevents further damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.